Step into the 2012 Jeep Compass Sport. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include AC, aluminum wheels, engine immobilizer, keyless entry, rear bench seat, power outlet, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, and heated mirrors. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.